The automobile sector is a rapidly growing industry that offers a wide range of vocational education and training opportunities. Vocational education in the automobile sector can provide students with the skills and knowledge they need to become successful mechanics, engineers, or technicians in the field. Automotive technology. This program focuses on providing students with the necessary skills and knowledge to diagnose, repair and maintain vehicles. Auto body repair. This program provides training in the repair of damaged vehicles, including bodywork, painting, and refinishing. Diesel technology. This program focuses on the repair and maintenance of diesel engines, including heavy-duty trucks and equipment. Automotive engineering. This program focuses on designing and developing new vehicles, including their components, systems, and technologies. Automotive manufacturing. This program provides training in the manufacturing and production of automobiles, including assembly line production, quality control, and safety procedures. Overall, vocational education in the automobile sector can provide students with valuable skills and knowledge that can lead to rewarding and fulfilling careers in a growing industry. To learn more about how you can join us, please visit our website where you will find a wide range of opportunities available for individuals who are interested in starting their own business.